I wanted to give you guys a better look at this gorgeous necklace that also comes with a cute little card that you can fill out if you're gifting this for somebody else, or you can just save to gift to somebody else. But here is this gorgeous necklace. It is beaded with multiple colors. In between, there is this beautiful light blue periwinkle almost-ish color. This can go with so many different, so many different designs of outfits, styles. You could wear this with a plain white shirt. You could put this in with an outfit to wear to the office. You could spruce up an outfit going out at night. I just love all the gorgeous details on this. This adorable heart. We have the little paper clip design at the end. We have a lobster claw clasp, which is super helpful for us girlies with long nails. And here's just all of that gorgeous beading along here. So there you go. Check it out.